Starting around the 23rd of May 2023, torrential slide especially is exchanging at $14.66 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.3% in truly most recent 60 minutes. Avax essentially has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $4,904,528,956 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $104,574,038, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. This sort of makes torrential slide extremely positioning at 16 in the cryptographic money market in a kind of significant manner. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the torrential slide cost forecast finish of 2023. What will torrential slide commonly be somewhat worth in 2023? Which truly is very huge. Is torrential slide an especially wise speculation or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023, or so they essentially thought? Will Avax cost really outperform its record-breaking high? These really are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide value expectation 2023 as per the torrential slide estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Avax cost basically is supposed to cross a normal value level of $18.75. The normal pretty least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the in every way that really matters. Current year ought to generally be $18.17, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, Avax can explicitly arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $20.63 in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide value figure May 2023. The torrential slide value for May 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at an extremely least worth of $13.66, while the truly greatest estimated cost in every practical sense is around $15.53 in an unpretentious way. The truly normal cost for Avax truly is basically anticipated to for the most part reach $15.10 in May 2023 in an exceptionally huge way. Torrential slide value estimate June 2023. In June 2023, the greatest cost for torrential slide could generally stretch around $16.29 in a kind of significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Avax in June 2023 truly is $14.68 with a by and large normal cost of $15.40, or so they certainly thought. Torrential slide value estimate July 2023. In July 2023, the really greatest cost for torrential slide could in a real sense stretch around $16.90, showing how in a real sense is torrential slide a generally excellent venture or in every practical sense worth purchasing in 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of Avax in July 2023 especially is $15.29 with an exceptionally normal cost of $15.86 in a significant manner. Avax value estimate August 2023. Concerning August 2023, torrential slide by and large is supposed to especially arrive at a truly least value worth of $15.78, or so they really thought. The Avax cost could really arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $17.70 with the typical cost around $16.50. Torrential slide value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of torrential slide basically is supposed to fundamentally be at around an especially least of $16.42, which especially is very critical. Torrential slide cost can arrive at a for the most part limit of $18.36 with the really normal cost of $16.99 in USD, or so they essentially thought. Torrential slide value estimate October 2023. The for the most part normal cost of torrential slide could explicitly go to $17.50 toward the finish of October 2023 in a huge manner. Avax could especially be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $19.21 with the base expected cost of $16.78 in a very large manner. Torrential slide value figure November 2023. The truly normal cost of torrential slide could explicitly go to $18.03 toward the finish of November 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Avax could basically be exchanging around a greatest worth of $19.91 with the sort of least expected cost of $17.45, which generally is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value expectation December 2023. The cost of torrential slide truly is basically anticipated to reach at least worth of $18.17 in December 2023 in an unobtrusive way. The AVAX cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $20.63 with the typical exchanging worth of $18.75 all through 2023. So torrential slide value figure May 2023. The torrential slide value for May 2023 may sort of arrive at a very least worth of $13.66, while the kind of most extreme gouage cost explicitly is around $15.53 in a genuinely significant manner. Torrential slide truly passed value examination in the specific beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been by and large diminished by 0.38% in its for the most part current worth, or so they really thought. Assuming we for the most part look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the AVAX with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap basically is likewise down. So torrential slide value gauge October 2023, the especially normal cost of torrential slide could commonly go to $17.50 toward the finish of October 2023 in an exceptionally significant manner. Torrential slide explicitly is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The AVAX essentially is down to nearly 1.64% over the most recent 7 days, which generally is very critical. The coin essentially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for certainly past not very many days. The coin could have areas of strength for pretty yet. We don't for the most part imagine that it would a beneficial resource and by and large transient in a sort of significant manner. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of a VAX generally diminished by 30.988%. Killing an astounding especially normal amount of $6.58 from its fundamentally current worth. By and large further appearance how this really makes torrential slide positioning at 16 in the digital money market, or so they explicitly thought. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a generally excellent explicitly purchase and open door for certainly speedy speculation, showing how torrential slide value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of torrential slide essentially is supposed to generally be at around a kind of least of $16.42, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change especially is near 17.60%, and the cost fundamentally circled from a sort of least commonly normal cost of $16.54 to really greatest sort of normal cost of $18.27 in the essentially beyond 90 days in an unobtrusive manner. In most recent 4 months, torrential slide in every practical sense has shown a developing pattern, showing how the coin in every way that really matters is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for pretty past kind of couple of days. The coin could sort of have serious areas of strength for commonly in any case. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource and genuinely transient in a truly significant manner. In this way, we generally imagine that comparative pieces of the market really were very famous at that period in a very enormous manner, as per the kind of the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of torrential slide generally is expanded from 4 months, which in every practical sense is very huge. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin essentially is up by 17.59% with the